Hey! Oh yeah! Hey! Well, welcome back to another video, guys. In South Dakota today. We're not in Minnesota. A lot more birds out here. Davis and the other guys, they got their 3-day license that they drew for waterfowl, so I decided I better come out here. Got out here late last night and we hunted this morning, and this intro is being filmed after the hunt. Yeah, I really wanted to film my intro when I got out there. Did not happen because when we got out there, we got stuck, and yeah, it kind of sucked. But anyways, hunting a cattle pasture, you know, Davis was seeing a lot of birds in the area, and they found a pretty good one. Might be able to insert a clip right here of it. Yeah, and a lot of ducks. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video.
Wish there was a way that all this would just be on your blind.
Oh wait, we should try those bucks. I want to shoot those pintails. This way, those pintails might come back.
Here, there's 4 coming down the line. Get ready, guys. Get ready.
Here, any shoot these?
2?
Oh, we got 2. Here to your left. See them? Oh, yeah, see them? Oh, God.
What the fuck are those?
I could have set mine up. There's 2. Oh, my God. Oh, fuck.
Where the
Oh, shoot that fucker!
Did you get it?
No.
Where are the gaps?
I couldn't even see the fucker. Jesus, we just had 5 of them go right behind. You're
Can't fucking hit him.
Yeah, did shoot that one. You can. Landed.
Nice! Look, this one is. Oh, it's a nice pintail. Fuck.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, yeah! Load of shells. Oh!
Got him.
Touchdown.
Holy shit, you just died in mid-flight. Yep, kill it.
Took all of us.
Right. There you got it.
Hey!
Something like that.
Just say. We should have.
Here.
Right here, right here.
You maybe should have shot there.
You could probably hit those.
Don't you think you could get one of them?
I think those you could have.
Ready?
Go. Touch it up.
Folded that one.
Where are you going?
Oh, it's just chasing that one flying away.
How is there nothing talking in all of that? Not that pintail. Could have shot one of them there. One drake.
Well, it's been something, but got the pickup stuck. And she's sitting over there. We're piecing together ducks. I think we got, what do we got, 6 more to get? 6 more to get. So, yeah, I was hoping to shoot some green ends. We haven't got one yet. Is what it is. It's still fun.
Can shoot, just pick it
Yeah.
up.
Fuck, we could shoot those.
Yeah, on the right they're the closest here.
Yeah, you could have shot those.
Yeah. We're probably gonna have to shoot on the right. Whenever they're on the left, they're too far.
Yeah.
There they're going down. Maybe a few of them will come over here. Yeah, it's starting to clear up.
He's on the right.
These two? Yeah, nice drake. Nice drake. Woo! Let's go! Well, stand up. We had about a jabillion birds working us there, and I didn't do much talking this morning. We were kind of in a rush. We said Davis got his truck stuck up here, but yeah, I don't know. They've solved 5,000-10,000 there in that wad, and that's just something you don't see every day. So we're kind of just enjoying the show. A lot of pintails, a lot of teal, but yeah, it's pretty sweet. So we need like 3 more to the limit. Okay, try that one, Dave.
Try it, Dave. Try it.
Hey! Yeah, catch it!
Catch it, Nova. Catch it.
Oh, you could kill that thing.
Yeah, you would have killed that one. Depends how bad you want one grade.
Hey, they might swing left side. They're gonna swing, I think, left side here. Okay. Get ready.
Left side, they're coming.
God, though, they're high.
These ones right up front.
Oh my god. Brown ducks, baby. Some nice brown ducks in here. I don't know how many birds we saw. I couldn't even put a number to it. 15,000? Oh, I mean, they're still just coming in groups of 1,000. And yeah, we picked out our 30 birds. Some nice pintails too. But yeah, this is day 1 out here in South Dakota. Came out here. Got out here late last night, so I really didn't film. And then I wanted to film an intro out here, and then we got the old truck stuck, so I didn't really have much time. We kind of scrambled and threw everything together. But yeah, overall, good hunt. I think we're gonna try and shoot some geese tonight. But we were rocking the old Sloughdawgs from TideWe. If you guys want a pair, head over to their website. Use code MTNT18. Save 18% off. So yeah.
Well, if you didn't see it yesterday, you'd be like, holy.
Imagine how
It's
good,
literally like 100 yards.
imagine how good
Yeah,
your
it's
height is.
150.
Yeah, you literally just drop a pin right here and walk straight down the rows and you'd hit the water.
literally park the pickup as close as you can to the corn. It'd be so easy.
And your height would be so good. You can see the ducks getting up and then landing again. Specks. Oh my god, look at those ducks. Holy
I'd say it's majority specks.
Yep. Well, it was a few hours since we've been scouting, but we're back here, kind of at the guide shack, and yeah, I think the plan is to hunt where we hunted in the last video for again tomorrow morning, which would have been today, if that makes any sense. But that is the plan, I believe, and we're gonna do it right this time. Hopefully we got the right wind, and well, we'll have the same wind, but hopefully we can get around to the other side of the cattle pasture and we can set up on the banks. We're gonna have to get there earlier. Yeah, it should be pretty good. A lot of ducks still there tonight after we hunted it, so a couple thousand, so you guys stay tuned. Shoot him.
Get an over on him. You might swim.
Holy shit. Good luck with that.
Yeah, I was like, yeah.
Pintails are starting to show.
Is there a drake?
That right one.
One is, yeah.
Oh, what the hell?
Oh yeah. Greenhead?
Yep, greenhead. That one, nope, that one.
Holy shit! Oh! Jeez!
I was watching that. I knew that was...
Yeah, it's a greenhead.
At least we don't have to go pick it up.
God, that would have made my day.
Oh my god.
That would have made my day.
What are they? Mallards.
Is that a greenhead?
That's a hen.
Yeah, it's a hen. Finish the greenhead, or is it fine?
Want me to finish it?
That was a widget. Yeah, it was.
Oh, we should have shot those. Why didn't we shoot them?
Were they all widget?
See these two big ducks? Is that Drake?
Top one's a drake. There's the head.
Hen doe. We've got 5 greenheads. Shoot this fucker. Get your orange fucking hat off. Maybe they shoot a duck. Yeah, but then they just white.
We gotta get him, don't we? Somebody?
Right there. Oh, is it? Hell yeah. What is that? How many do we got?
6 green heads.
6. How many ducks total?
16?
16 ducks. We can shoot 30.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
More.
20ish.
Got
Yeah.
Two barrels. Shoot him.
God damn! Just as I'm gonna pull the trigger, they fall down.
They're pintails.
Pintails.
we got 6 mallard. Should have
7. 6 green.
We have 6 green. Yeah.
Shot a hen.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we got 7 mallards.
7 mallards. Picked off 2 pintail there. 1 spoonie.
2 spoonie. Got a
2
gadwall.
spoonies. Gadwall.
Here's a widgeon. Did we grab that one that went behind us ever? That Craig sailed?
Nope.
We got killers, don't we?
Damn it, now we gotta clean a goose.
Huh?
Now we gotta clean a goose.
Now we gotta...
Well, we had a solo goose come in. A lot of the ducks are kind of being weary of our spread. But
Bunch of big ducks.
there's still a pile of them, so we need 9 more.
Good girl, come on.
Got a solo goose, he did it pretty nice. So yeah.
Oh my god, Kate, we gotta go. Bunch of big ducks.
Oh god, yeah.
We kill these, ain't we?
Well, we almost got all of them. Better go help her.
Shoot that one.
Gorgeous duck. Well, there, pintails finally came. We waited on them all morning and finally got them. Got 2 drakes here and a hen. Try him? Try him.
Try.
We got him.
Hey!
Oh, I got the wrong one. I shot it to kill.
That's no good.
Well, that one's in the mud. Holy shit.
Holy shit. Glitching.
We gotta shoot him, right?
Shoot those 2.
That one.
Oh.
We only got one.
We get one?
We got one.
I think we've been out feeding all morning.
I'm sure.
Stay. 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 Sit.
Well, that is where we're wrapping up today's video. Hope you guys liked the 2-day hunting type thing. I thought about making 2 separate videos. You know, if you're watching, listening, you'll hear me say, you know, in the last video. But I did, when I got back here, I decided just to make one longer video for you guys and put in a lot of our better shots. I'm gonna leave some of the other footage out because I mean there's thousands and thousands of ducks, and I could have had an hour-long video of all the ducks. But I figured I'd leave some of that out. You know, you don't want to sit and watch all that. But deer hunting starts in 3 days, and the plan is to go out opening morning and hopefully shoot one. So, and get it on film. You know, I haven't shot a deer for a few years, so it'd be nice to shoot one, get one down, and get it on film. And I could film in maybe, but we're still gonna be grinding ducks here in Minnesota. Yeah, otherwise, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.